Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS Institutions College of Arts and Science. So today we are going to discuss about array concept through DT based. What is meant by DT based? Design thinking based. So while asking the question, how to answer the questions. Okay. So the topic will be of array. What is meant by array? Collection of variable in one variable, and the variable must be stored multiple values in single variable. Okay, good. Which should be of numbers. So that must be based on data type. So while storing the value, we must concentrate on about data type. What kind of data type you are going to use, that kind of value must be present in the created array. So the value may be of multiple elements. Is it right? Yes. Now you tell me what is meant by array? Stored multiple values in single variable, which must be of similar data types. For example, what is meant by data type here? Integer, float, decimal, character, string. So integer holds only of number variable, that is the numeric values, only the number. What does the mean? How the value will be stored in character? Only one letter, it must be of alphabet. Okay. What in case of string? Yes, more than one variable must be enclosed with double quotation. That is the difference of character and the string. String always hold the value of single value, which is enclosed by single quotes. In case of string, it is going to include or take a collections of characters in single variable. It must be enclosed with double quotation. Okay, this is the definitions of array and the character. So while discussing about the array, there are many types of array are there. What are they? One-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and the multi-dimensional array. In case of one-dimensional array, how the data will be stored? Okay, one variable. Int a is equal to 10, then it may be equal to a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always the array index start from 0. So we have to specify the size of the elements we are going to give. So int a of some size of the element. How many number of values it is going to take? That is the meaning of size. A of size is equal to the values you may give. So in some cases we cannot specify the size. In that case, how to state the size? Based on the number of elements we are given, that must be taken as a size. So while accessing the array element, we can use the index. So always the array index start from 0. Yes, the array index always start from 0. So while accessing the array element, we have to concentrate on one more thing. What it is? The array index position will be of size minus 1. If it is the size will be 5, means the array index position will be of a of 4 only. The storage purpose will be a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4. Till a of 4 only the value will be allocated. This is the one kind in the single dimensional array. But take it of two-dimensional array. How the value will be stored? Row and columns. So it is based on row and column. While giving the value, we have to specify the a of row size and the column size. So the value will be of row into column. So how many number of values it going to take means based on the row value, which will be multiplied by column value. For example, in case of int a of 2 the representation of two dimension. In case of multi-dimensional, it's going to take size as well as row into column. For example, it's going to give the value as int a of 2 bracket row value will be 3 and column value will be 4 means we have to specify the one matrix, two matrices we have to specify. It is the size of 3 column and 4 values. That is the representations of multi-dimensional array. Okay, we have discussed about array concept. First one will be the one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array and the multi-dimensional array.